Yes. So there were some questions you were finding difficult. You didn't understand any of them or just the tax questions?
Any of them.
Even the discount questions you didn't understand?
No, sorry, except the discount one.
You did the discount questions, yes or no?
No.
You didn't do them. Fine, let's do them in class itself then. Okay, so what is happening? Okay, so the first question says, if you look at the question, which is given in a blue background, a shop gives 20% discount. What would be the sale price of each of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, can
A
you see the
dress
question?
marked at 120 rupees.
So a shop, so basically we're talking about a shop which is giving D% is how much? 20%. Okay. So the
Are you
first
screen
thing
sharing?
is, yeah, can you see my screen?
No.
Sure, fine. I will stop and start sharing again. Let's see if I think I'm not a co-host in this. Maybe that's why you're not able to see. Are you able to see it now?
No.
No. Fine. Wait a minute.
Okay, I can see it now. Your mic is muted.
Okay, sorry. Now, the mark price is rupees 120 for the A part. Yeah, for there's a dress, and at that shop, that dress is for 120 rupees, and we are having a discount of 20%. Now, we are supposed to find the sale price, meaning at what price am I going to get the dress? Fine. So we know that marked price minus discount is equal to sale price.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so we will
marked
have to
price is
find
always
discount.
higher. Yeah, we have to find discount. And discount, or you can say, discount is equal to D% of SP. Fine.
Yeah.
Let's just take a look at the formulae that we had written. Not SP, sorry, MP is the original price, na? That is why. So here MP, always the original price. So there we go. So the discount is D% of MP and discount percent is D by MP into 100. Fine. So we had 1, 2, 3 formulae, the one in yellow. If you have your notes of that day, kindly look at them. And let's come back to our this thing. So discount is D% of MP. So we know MP, we know D%. So we can find the discount, right? So discount is equal to
20 by
20%
100 multiplied
into
by 120. Then you will cancel the zeros.
hmm,
Then we will have a 24. Discount is 24 rupees.
discount is 24 rupees. So rupees 24. So this is the discount. They are asking you to find the SP. So from here we get
So
M.
120 minus 24.
So 120 minus 24. This will be your SP, and that is equal to
96 rupees.
96 rupees. Very good. So this will be your answer. Okay. Similarly, the B part also you can do, and similarly the C part also you can do.
The C part I can do, but the B part, do we like, it is a pair. So, like, will
But
the
say
answer be
when you go and buy shoes, do you buy the entire pair of shoes or do you buy just one shoe? You
Oh,
always buy
sorry,
a
sorry.
pair of shoes,
Sorry.
na? So
Yeah.
imagine it's given in a shoe box, and that shoe box is marked at rupees 750.
Okay, I understood.
Okay, so this is rupees 750. So this also you can do,
Yeah.
and the C part also you can do. And I believe you will do it. Honestly, you will do it,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then the next question.
A table marked at rupees 15,000 is available for rupees 14,000. Find the discount given and the discount percentage.
14,400.
Oh yeah, sorry, 14,400.
Okay.
So,
So question
so the
number two.
marked
Mark.
price is 15,000 rupees. Then
Hmm,
SP is 14,400 rupees.
hmm, very good.
So then
Hmm. First of all, let's write
discount.
all the formulae that we know. Okay.
Okay.
Let's. If you want, you can write it in a rough column. So you can make a rough column on the right, and you can write down all the formulae that you know. So what do we know?
MP is equal to uh, discount plus uh, SP.
Okay.
Then SP is equal to MP minus discount.
Same thing, same thing. We are just putting the D, taking the D to the other side, and that is how we are getting. So it's the same thing. Don't need to replace that. But yeah, you can say from here that MP is equal to discount plus SP. So as you said, we will take the discount to the other side. MP minus discount will become SP. So now let's put all the values. Actually, no, you will not take discount to the other side. You will take SP to the other side because discount is what we need to find. Na? MP is
Yeah.
how much? First, write MP is how much?
MP is 15,000. Then
Discount, we don't know.
plus X.
Okay, let's call it X if you want. So let discount is equal to X. Okay.
X plus
Then X plus,
14,400.
so X becomes what?
Then we will subtract 15,000 minus 14,400.
And that is, that will become
Oh, wait a second. It will be 600 rupees.
600 rupees.
So
So this will be
discount is
equal to
600
rupees
rupees.
600. Now we know the relation between discount and discount percent.
Yeah.
What is that?
Do I have to tell the formula?
Tell the formula.
So to find discount percentage, we will write the discount is equal to discount percentage of MP.
Okay. See, there, this is one formula. Discount is equal to discount percent of MP. And there is another formula which you will get from this only, which is if you take this percent means divided by 100, right? So this divided by 100. So your D percent. So in other words, you can write it like this. D percent is equal to discount by MP. This MP goes to the other side into 100. Okay. So if
Okay.
you want to find the discount percent, you do this. Discount. And this is the same thing if you remember profit and loss. Remember profit and loss?
Yeah. So
Huh.
to find this
In that
discount
also,
percentage,
you see, in
to
that also
find
we used to have it like this. We used to do it like this. We used to do profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100, right?
yeah.
So always remember something percent. We want to find something percent, profit percent. So profit by original price into 100. Similarly, discount percent, if you want to find, it will be discount by original price, which is over here marked price into 100. Similarly, if you want to find tax percent, it is tax by original price, which was again marked price into 100. Marked price, or it has a different word over there, but same thing, the original price into 100. So just remember this thing will be very useful. So yes, so now what we'll do?
So to find this discount percentage, we can use either of these two formulas.
Yes, we have to use this one, because in this you will just put in the value of discount and MP, and you will get the value of D% on the left hand side now.
Okay. So it will be 15,000 divided by, no, sorry. It will be 600 divided by 15,000 multiplied by
Very
100.
good. Hmm.
So we will cancel the zeros.
Yes. Then we have
60
15.
divided by, that will be 3 and 12.
So that is 4 now. So
Yeah.
discount percent is 4%. So 4% discount. Okay. So D percent is equal to 4%.
I'll write this down.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Next question. A jacket was sold for
Was sold for rupees 1,120. After allowing a discount of 20%, the marked price of the jacket is rupees 14
that is
1,440.
those are the options. Okay. This is an MCQ type
Okay.
of question.
Okay.
So first of all, what do we have to write? A jacket was sold for rupees this.
SP
Meaning,
SP is 1,120, and then
hmm,
discount percentage is 20%.
hmm,
So we have to find MP.
hmm.
We don't have to find discount.
See,
Oh yeah,
for
we don't.
finding the MP, you will have to find the discount first. So that means
Oh yeah.
let's do this thing. So we know this basic formula, which is this thing. D plus SP, right? What X
Yeah.
is equal to D plus SP. But D is not given to us. Instead of D% is given, right?
Yeah.
So now what is the relation between D and D%? This thing.
So we will write X is equal to,
D% is given. Or
yeah.
let's do this one because D% is given. Na? So D over here is what? D% of MP. Yes?
Wait, I don't understand.
See, this one, look at this formula over here. D is equal to D% of MP. So in D is what? D% of MP. So in place of D, we are going to write D% of MP. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
We
So
have to write this because MP is equal to D plus SP, and we don't have discount, so we have to use this formula for that.
yes, exactly. We don't know MP and we don't know D also. So that's why we have to use this.
Okay.
Okay. So what are we using? We are using the fact that this D discount is equal to D% of MP. So in place of D, we are replacing it with D% of MP because they are both equal. So we can do that.
All right. So
So
it will
X is
be
equal to D%
20
of
divided
MP
by
plus SP. Abhi, wait a minute. First of all, MP is what? MP is X, right?
X.
Hmm? Acha, now tell me
Yeah.
everything. All the values.
Now we will write 20 divided by 100 multiplied by
Yes.
x plus 1,120, and then
Hmm.
that will
These two
be,
zeros get cancelled.
yeah, and then it will become 2x
Hmm.
divided by 10
Hmm. Or can we
plus
do it
that.
2 5s are 10? So it's 1x by 5, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, 5x.
X by 5.
Sorry, yeah, plus 100 that, and then we can bring,
Take x to the other side. Take x by
yeah,
5 to the other side.
so it will be 5 by x.
No, 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 no. See, Hiba, what is happening here is this is x by 5 is being added to 1120, right? Here x by 5
Yeah,
is being added. So when it goes to the other side, it will become subtracted.
but sometimes
X by
we
5 is
take the
no,
reciprocal.
that's see, we do that when you have to first see and ask yourself that this particular term that I am taking to the other side, is it being added? Is it being subtracted? Is it being multiplied or divided? So if in case it was like this, then see
So
here
then
that it is x by 5 into 1120, right? It's being multiplied. Then when you take it to the other side, you will take the multiplicative inverse, which is the reciprocal. So here it will become 5 by x because it was being multiplied. Understood?
oh, okay.
But here it is
Yeah.
being added. So we will take the additive inverse of x by 5, which is what? Minus x by 5.
All right.
Is that
I
clear?
understand. Yeah.
So next, what happens now? We take the LCM. What is the LCM?
LCM is 5.
Then what does it become?
Why do we have to take the LCM?
But sir, you have to subtract these these two things now. How will you subtract x minus x by 5?
Oh yeah, LCM.
Hmm.
So this will be 1x minus 1x.
Hiba, this is x by 1. X is what? X by 1, right?
Sorry, 5x minus 1x. Sorry.
5x minus x. 1x. 1x and x is the same thing. Then
Wait, how is it 1x? Oh yeah, I understood. Then it will be 4x divided by 5.
Then
We can bring 5 to the other side. We'll multiply
just
it.
5, or we can bring 4 by 4 also.
We can bring both, but
This
can we
is
take 5
nothing but 4 by 5 into x, right?
Yeah. So it
4x
will
by
be
5
5
can
by.
be written as 4.
So
It
when
will
we
be
bring it to the other side, it will be 5 by 4.
5 by 4. Very good. Now you understood why are we taking reciprocal over here and why we didn't take it in this case?
Yeah, because here we are multiplying it.
Here 4 by 5 and x are being multiplied. That is why we will take the multiplicative inverse. Okay, then
Then
just cancel.
down. Yeah. Then it will be 140. So MP is sorry, no. It will be 1,400.
Very good. So MP is how much? Rupees
1,400.
1,400. Option B is 1,400.
Yeah. Shall I read the next question?
Shall we move on to the next question?
Yeah.
Yeah, read it.
If marked price of an article is rupees 1,200 and the discount is 12 percentage, then the selling price of the article is the option. So marked price is rupees
So first let's write
1,200.
down.
Then discount is 12 percentage.
Discount percent is 12%.
Yeah, sorry. Now we have to find discount because we don't have, then we cannot find SP. So it will be discount is equal to
Let's call the XP, let's call the SP as X, okay?
okay.
Let's call it X. Then next, what do we have? Let's write the main formula that we know. That is
Discount is equal to
MP Huh. You tell. Discount is equal to
Discount percentage of MP.
good.
So we will
Fine.
say
So then from here we
12.
can find the discounts.
Yeah, 12 divided
Hmm.
by 100 multiplied by 1200,
Hmm.
and then we will cancel the zeros.
Hmm.
So then it will be 144
Hmm.
discount.
Then how do we find the SP?
Then SP will be MP minus discount. So it will be 100, wait, minus. So it will be 1556. No, sorry. 1056.
1056, which is given in the question, right?
Yeah, first
The
one.
first option is there.
By the way, for the exam, right?
Hmm.
Only like 8.1 and 8.2 are there. For this exam, 8.3 is not there.
Okay, so meaning only till the first exercise and second exercise.
Yeah, third exercise is there, but for this exam, it's not there.
Okay, okay. And when is your exam? Have they given the date?
It's on Sunday.
Okay, coming Sunday. So, we are done with this exercise now. We just you have a few questions, a few doubts, and then Hiba, we will have. So today is what, Wednesday? Then we will have a class on Friday. We will
Okay.
have just one more class apart from this. So do one thing. I will give you some practice questions. Okay, Hiba? I will
All
do
right.
give you some practice questions from all of the chapters that we have done till now. All the chapters that are coming in your test. Right?
All right.
All the chapters are coming except for the one chapter in between, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
that fourth
So,
chapter.
right. So all these chapters I will give you, and you'll have to complete it before the next class. And if you have any doubts in that worksheet, the next class will be dedicated purely to your doubts from the worksheet and from anywhere else in your syllabus. Okay?
All
Because
right.
we have done your syllabus, so we will just cover your doubts. Fine. So this question is done. Next.
Next, find the SP if this one I can do.
All of these you can do. Now this so we have done. Similar questions we
Except
have
for
done.
the 69 one.
What happened to the 69th one?
You know, the discount is 7. Oh no, we can find it. We can multiply.
7 1 by 2 is nothing but 7.5. What is 7.5? 7.5. Simple.
So like we can say it's 15 percentage.
No. 15. How is it 15? It's not. It's not. See, bache, it's you can say it is 15 by 2%, not 15%. It is
Oh, sorry,
exact
sorry,
half of
sorry.
15%. It is 7.5. What is 7.5? If you get 7.5 marks in a test, what does that mean? You get 7.5 marks, right?
Yeah.
So it is 7.5, which is the exact half of 15. But yes, so you can do this, right? We have done similar questions. Find MP when SP and discount is given, discount percent is given.
Yeah.
See this question that we've done over here.
Yes, I can do it.
So if there's any doubt, just we will discuss it in the next class, inshallah. Okay. Now
Okay.
let's take a look at the questions of, wait a minute. So what all questions had I given to you in the previous class as homework? So we have done a hair dryer question we have done. After this last question we have not done, the fifth one. Let's do that. Exercise, the second exercise, fifth question. Matlab, in my textbook it is the fifth question, in your textbook it might be something else. An article was purchased for 1239 rupees, including GST of 18%. So tax is equal to, tax percent is equal to 18%. And 1239 is what? It was purchased for 1239 rupees. That means 1239 is how much?
Wait,
I mean, it is what?
this is which question?
But say in, I have the new version of the book in this. Okay, you know, I'll just write the question. Okay, I'll just write the question. An article was purchased. Please write it down in your notebook and make a star over it. This is important.
Okay, I have
What is
this question.
GST?
Find the
What is
price
GST?
of before GST was added.
Good. What is GST?
GST is like a type of tax.
It's a type of tax. Okay, so don't get confused if you see GST written somewhere.
So GST and VAT have the same formula.
Yeah, just write tax everywhere. You don't have to write VAT or GST. You can just write
Alright.
tax. T% is equal to 18%.
Selling price is
Hmm.
rupees 1239.
See, when it comes to tax, we have two things. We have, one is the marked price, the thing which is uh, on the price which is on the item, which is written on the item, and the other thing is the bill amount. Bill amount is what you get after the tax. Remember?
Yeah,
So now you tell me, what is the this 1239? It is your marked price or it is your bill amount?
it is bill amount.
Think carefully and tell me. Very good. So it is your bill
Because
amount,
it is including
which is
GST,
equal to
so including
rupees.
the tax.
Yes, very good. So we have to find the price of the article before GST was added. Now let's forget everything and just write the basic formula that we know. We don't know the marked price, right? The original price of the article, the marked price. So we will say it as X. Now we will just write what all formulae we know.
Why do we have to find mark price?
They are saying now find the price before GST was added, meaning find the
Oh,
original price. Original price is what we call it as marked price. Or if you don't want to call it marked price, you might get confused. Then you can call it original price. You can call it anything really. What have we taken it over here?
okay.
We have taken MP only over here. Over here also MP. Original cost we have written. Over here we have written cost. Let's just write cost. Fine. We'll just write original cost.
All right.
Original, or we can even write original price. It's totally up to you. So since we've already used mark price in when it comes to discount, so we can just write original price OP. Doesn't matter. Fine.
All right.
Let the original price be X. Write it like this. Let original price equal to X. Next, what is the formula that we know? Original price plus tax gives you bill amount. But tax we don't know. So tax is equal to what? Tax percent of original price. Yeah.
Wait, what is okay? Original price is MP.
Yeah, MP or whatever you want to call it, MPOP. Original price, marked price,
So
selling price, whatever. Huh.
X plus no, wait. So it will be we have to find the tax first. So it will be 18 divided by no.
It's okay, right? 18 by 100 into OP. What is OP? Original price is how much? X. Yeah.
X.
So this
Yeah.
is your tax. Now we don't know X, so we cannot solve this. So
So
this
we
is
will
your tax.
take
We will put this over here in this uh, equation. Okay. So that means OP plus 18 by 100. OP is what? X, right? So I'm just going to write X in place of it. Into X is equal to bill amount. Till here, is it clear? And now what is bill amount? That is also given to us 1239.
yeah, but can't we write T is equal to 18 by 100 multiplied by OP plus T is equal to BA.
But say T is equal to 18 by 100 multiplied by X, right? Multiplied by X. X is what? Original price. Or you can write original price is nothing but from here you can say from this equation, if you take the t to the right hand side, what will this equation become? OP is equal to BA minus T. So
Yeah.
yes, over here you can replace this. You can say in place of X or in place of OP, we are going to write BA minus T. Then you can write BA minus T.
All right.
Okay. But let's just do it this way because in every question we are doing it this way. So let's do it this way. Hmm?
Okay. So
So what are we doing? First, be clear about what we are doing, Hiba. We are just going to, in place of T, we are writing T percent of original price. And that we are putting in the main equation over here. The value of T we are putting in the main equation. This right here is the value of T.
all
Okay?
right.
Then this becomes
Then
AX
18x
plus,
divided by 100 gives 1239.
then can
So
we take the
now we
LCM here?
yeah. So that will be 100. So
100x
uh,
plus,
18x.
very good. So 100x plus 18x, and that will give us
280. Sorry, 180.
hmm. So now can we take everything else to the other side?
Yeah, that will be 100 divided by 118.
Right. So it will be 1239 into 100 by 118. Um, what is 118 into? Let's try dividing this now. This won't go by 2. This numerator won't go by 2. Leave this 100 as it is, okay? Don't try to cancel the 118 and 100. Why? Because this 100 proves to be very helpful when you're trying to, uh, you know, shift the decimal places. So just 1239 we are going to divide it by 118. 1239 divided by 118. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So 118 into 1. This won't go. So we put a 0. Then we put a point. Okay, so 118 into 5 is 590. So this becomes this portion is from this portion, this divided by this is 10.5, now multiplied by 100. So see, this is where your 100 is going to help. It will make it 1050. So rupees 1050.
So what if it was divided by 100? We would bring it to like then it
To the
would
left
be,
side.
so then it will be
If it
0.10.
0.105.
Okay. Can you give me 1 minute to write it down?
Check the answer at the back also.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, done. So
Yes.
let's do a few more questions based on this. Just a minute. So is the answer correct? Please check it from the back.
All right, wait. Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, so which okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so do this question. Write it down. The original price of a shampoo bottle, the original price of a shampoo bottle bought for rupees 324,
Rupees 324.
bought for rupees 324, comma, if
Wait, can you repeat?
8%, okay, the original price of a shampoo bottle bought
Yeah.
for rupees VOUGHT bought for
Oh,
rupees 324, comma, if 8% VAT is included in the price, if 8% VAT is included in the price, comma, is rupees 300. Acha, no, wait a minute. In this, you have to state whether this is true or false. Okay. I lost the question, so you will have to tell me. Okay, found it. So you have to tell whether this is true or false. So they
okay.
are saying कि the original price of a shampoo bottle bought for rupees 324, meaning bill amount, the amount at which you are buying it is rupees 324, and the VAT, the tax percent, is equal to 8%. They are basically asking you to find the original price. They have written that the original price is 300. You have to check whether it is true or false. Or
Wait,
let's
how is
change
the bill
the
amount 324?
listen, let's change the question a little bit. The question is written the original price of a shampoo bottle, right? So in place of that, write find the original price of a shampoo bottle. Find in place of, just don't cut anything. Just before the original price, just add one word, find. Find. So your question will now become find the original price of a shampoo bottle bought for rupees 324 if 8% VAT is included in the price. That's it. So they are saying that shampoo bottle is bought for rupees 324. That means that is the final price you are paying for that bottle. That is why it is the bill amount. And as you can see, 8% VAT is included in the price. Okay, so that is why the 324 is the bill amount and 8% VAT is included in it. Till here it's clear?
Yeah.
Now, what do we do? It's the same as the previous thing. We can just write it as X, okay?
Yeah.
Now you tell me step by step.
What is the formula of original price though?
Original price plus tax is equal to bill amount. This is your basic formula, your main formula. Then the second thing, the secondary formula is this. Tax is equal to tax percent of original price.
So we will write this tax is equal to tax percentage of.
First write the main formula. OP plus tax, original price plus tax gives you the bill amount. Okay?
Then tax is equal to tax percentage of OP.
Your tax is equal to tax percent of OP.
So then we will write
So
OP is equal
hmm,
to,
OP
wait,
plus
OP
because
plus
this thing
TX
is being
of
added.
OP.
T% of OP. Yes.
Yeah, and then is equal to bill amount.
Very good. So OP is X, right?
Yeah, plus 8 by 100 multiplied by x gives 324.
Very good.
And then 8x divided by 100.
Very good. So this becomes x plus 8x by 100
Yeah,
is
we will have
equal
to
to,
find the LCM. Then it will
and the
be
LCM is
100x plus 8, which will be
hmm,
108x divided by 100. Then we will bring
hmm.
them to the other side. So it will be 324 multiplied by 100 by 108.
So you will write it like this. That implies x is equal to 324 into 100 by 8. Okay. Now, sorry, 108. Acha, one very common mistake that students make, and I'm telling you so that Hiba, you please don't make this mistake. They write it like this. Everything they just write equal to, and then over here in place of x, well, over here, for example, if they want to write uh, t is equal to t percent of OP, then this will become equal to something else. So instead of doing this, write it very clearly. In one line, there should be only one equal to sign. See over here, in the entire line, there is only one equal to sign. Over here also just one equal to sign. So don't make it like this. And over
Okay.
here, what we have done, this is not an equal to sign. This is a that implies sign. Okay.
All
So
right.
just do step by step everything so that you don't mess up. Now, so this goes by 9 and this also goes by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are, and then 9 threes are 27, and then 9 6 are 54. So 12 threes are 36. So this is equal to 300. So the original price is equal to rupees 300. Clear?
Yeah. So our this exercise is done.
This exercise is done, but I'm just giving you a few questions before the next class so that you will become thorough in this chapter. Okay, let's do one last question before we end the class. I'm writing it. Please write it along with me. Kritika ordered one pizza and one garlic bread and paid rupees 387 inclusive of taxes of rupees 43. Find the tax percent. Okay. So, and paid rupees this much. So she paid this much. So that means 387 becomes how much? What does it become? 387?
Mm, uh, I guess double it.
No,
No,
the
no, no.
387, it is what? She paid 387. So
It
387
is
is what?
SP.
It is the,
SP sold price.
when we're
No, no,
talking
no,
about
sorry.
tax, what do we call it?
Bill amount.
Very good, bill amount. And they are saying inclusive of taxes of rupees 43. That means this time they are telling you the tax is equal
Tax.
to rupees 43. You're supposed to find the tax percent. Now we know that the tax percent is equal to tax by original price into 100, but we don't know the original price. So first, for that, we will have to find the original price. Okay, so we know that original price plus tax is equal to bill amount. Yes.
Yes.
So original price is equal to bill amount minus tax. Because here we know the bill amount also and we know the tax also. That is why we are using this formula.
All
So
right.
bill amount is how much?
387 plus, minus 43.
So your original price, you have gotten it. Okay.
It should be 344.
344. So now you have to find the tax percent, right?
Yeah.
So tax percent is equal to tax by original price into 100. Tax is how much? 43. Original price is 344 into 100.
We can cancel it.
Mm, see how much is it becoming?
No, like we can cancel 344 and 100 from two stable.
No, I told you na, don't touch the 100. Don't touch it. It
All
will
right.
be helpful in removing the decimal place, the decimal point. So 43 and 344. Huh. So 43 into 8 is 344. So it is 100 divided by 8. Now you do the 100 divided by 8.
We can cancel it.
Hmm.
So 50 and 4. And
Fine.
then
50 and 4. Or just cancel it with 4 only directly. 4 twos are 4 25s are. So 25 by 2 is what?
uh
12.5.
12.5.
So this is 12.5. So tax percent
12.5 percentage.
is equal to 12.5%. Okay. All right. So Hiba, please note this down.